Hey guys, welcome to or back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be filming an unboxing video. So if you're subscribed, you know that I recently got an iPad Pro and I did an unboxing on that a couple of weeks ago, and I actually just ordered the Series 3 Apple Watch. And this is so weird for me because I don't usually get Apple products like this quickly in succession. I don't really buy stuff, but I just graduated high school and I just thought, like, with everything going around, I would get myself a little something. So I got the Series 3 Apple Watch, like the 38 millimeters, because I have a really small wrist. So it's the silver aluminum one and it's in white. I got this from Costco for like $179 and then like plus all the tax and shipping and stuff, but very good deal on that. So I'm really excited to open it up for you guys. And yeah. Okay, so before I came down to my basement to film this, I made a little cut in this. I just have to find it because I don't feel like going back up or bringing a knife down or something. But like, it's an older one. I think this is like released in like 2017 or something, so they don't have the pull tab. So I'm just trying to get it open. Okay, I got it. I don't know if this will focus because I think I'm in manual right now, so I'm sorry. This isn't going to be like aesthetic or anything, but I'm so excited. So it just pulls out like this. I've watched so many of these unboxings in the past 2 days. Not even just past 2 days. I've been thinking about getting the Apple Watch for a little while now. And I finally just did it. I'm so excited. It looks so nice. It's so nice. I'm so happy. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side. And I know what's in here, but this just has like the manuals, like tells you what all the buttons do and all that. So I mean, I'm pretty familiar. Like, I feel like I kind of know. And this is just like paper instruction stuff. And this is where it tells you how to put the Apple Watch on. And this is the medium large band. I have a small wrist, like I said earlier, so I'm probably not going to be using that, but and then the charger. Okay, I like how it's done. It's like looped around this thing, so it keeps it pretty flat, but it doesn't come with the block. Oh, and like magnetic. Oh wait. Oh, where I ripped it. Okay, got it. But yeah, it just looks like that, and it's like magnetic and stuff. It doesn't come with the block or the wall port or whatever it's called. But yeah, I'm gonna put these all back and we'll get into the actual Apple Watch, which I have not touched yet. The Apple Watch, and I'm just gonna I love it. I love it already. Okay. I don't think it'll focus because I said like earlier it's in manual focus, I think, right now. But this is what it looks like with no fingerprints on it. And then I guess there's this one too. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, I updated my phone because I heard you needed like the latest update on your phone in order to download the stuff. So I'm gonna wait for this to turn on and I'm going to go to the watch app, I guess. I'll try and switch the view so you can see me set it actually up, but I love it. I was debating like the size. Here, I don't even know how to put this on. I should have read the thing better. Actually, I think I do know how to put it on. Just gonna test it out while it's turning on still. It takes a minute to turn on actually. I'm gonna just put it on hold. Probably go tighter, but Okay. Oh, it just worked. It just started turning on. It's pretty loose right now. I'm about to take it off, but I don't even, if you can see that. It looks so nice. I like the white. I wasn't sure because all my devices are silver, so I like to stick with the silver. I don't really like the space gray. Just a personal preference. So I wasn't sure, but I was like, if I want the black sports band, I can always buy that. So yeah, I think you like put it on like this and then slide it through the back. So it like looks like that. Yeah, I'm gonna try and switch the view so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm filming literally behind the camera so that you have the like best angle of it. But here's my, oh, it just popped up when I brought my phone next to it. I don't think you can see it, but let me try and get it to focus on the words. Yeah, it's not focusing, I don't know why. Probably the aperture or something. But yeah, it just popped up on my phone. So I'm gonna hit continue. Okay, sorry if the lighting is different. I'm gonna start pairing my Apple Watch. It's paired. Set up Apple Watch. Left wrist. I don't even know if you can see that, it's loading. Literally like don't even know why this isn't focusing on the actual words. Okay, my screen's kind of dirty, but agree. But in the meantime, look how nice that is. Back it says enable route tracking, don't share. Okay. I've heard that it doesn't lock on your wrist, so I'm just gonna go ahead and create a passcode. Okay, I just made a password. Set of activity. Okay, I'm gonna put this on moderate. Oh, continue, set up later, continue, choose later. Sorry, I'm like breezing through this, but I've watched so many videos that I know exactly what it's gonna say. So I'm gonna wait for this ring to finish loading and I'll come back. Actually, I just said I was gonna come back, but okay, if it focuses on what I'm trying to show you. Okay, it says display, and you can like swipe through it. It's kind of weird because it's like a small screen. And you can like mess around with it. I've never actually touched the Digital Crown until now. That's so interesting. It tells you like how to use all the things. Oh, I'm not even centered. But yeah, so all that's done and I'm gonna wait for it to finish up. Okay, it says welcome to Apple Watch. Okay, cool. It just has all this stuff that I'm gonna look through later. I'll show you what the watch does. Press Digital Crown. I don't even know what is going on with this. You can even see it. Okay. Ooh, it like vibrated. Ah, I love it. I literally love it. That's so cool. Do I like? And it's like you can scroll around. Okay, I don't even know how to use this, but that's really cool. You can. There's so many watch pieces to choose from. If it'll focus, I'm gonna focus. Okay. I'm going to. I was looking through these because you can like go on the watch app and look through these before you actually get them. And I think I'm gonna start off either with modular or I can do photos. That's so interesting. There was one I wanted to do, but I don't know if it'll come up. Oh, here. I want to do the flowers one. So I'll do flowers and then Maybe battery percentage. I don't know. What are the options? A lot of options. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do, maybe if I do date here, what the middle, okay, I'm gonna do Friday 23. Oh, it's not even, that's not even today's date. I'm gonna do battery. And then heart rate. I'm always listening to music, so maybe this one, so I know what song's playing. And then add. And then I guess if I go here, it already changed. I don't even know if you can see that, but it already changed. That's so cool. Okay, I have to put my password in. That's so cool. Oh, it's a different flower every time. I love it. These are so pretty, and it's like, it blooms. I don't know why it's not focusing. I literally just focused it, but okay, there we go. This is so cool. I'm literally in love. Like, I'm gonna put it on now, like actually. I don't even know how to, not gonna lie, it's like kind of hard to put on. I'm like trying to show you in frame what it looks like. It's kind of difficult. There we go. I love it. I'm gonna try and show you what it looks like on my wrists. It's kind of hard to like. It looks like that. Super cool. All right, I think that's it. I'll have to like mess around with it and get some apps, but I'll probably do a video later on down the road, probably talking about whether or not I like it. I have a feeling I'm going to like it, and I spent that much money on it. I better like it. I'm gonna make myself like it even if I don't. But I'm like still getting used to it. Obviously, I just put it on for the first time, so I'm really like not really like used to it. But it's so pretty though. Like, I love it, and I'm really excited to get different bands. I like the white and stuff, but I think I'll probably get like a navy blue band just because I wear blue a lot, and I feel like it'll look nice. I love this. Like, it's so, I love it. And it's like cute to like the flowers bloom every time. I'm excited to like work out with this, like burn calories, I don't know, heart rate. That's so cool. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. I was so excited to have this Apple Watch. I just want to put this out there that I did buy this like for myself. This was a present for myself, if you will. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and were excited as I was as you saw me unbox my Apple Watch. If you are not subscribed, I encourage you to do so, because I know I took a while. I took a little break in between this post and my last video, but I am back and I'm trying to be more consistent with posting. I talk with my hands, sorry. And yeah, so I highly encourage you to subscribe if you're interested in seeing my face more and watching more videos. Yeah, give this video a like, comment down below if you have any suggestions, like for apps I should get, or if you have any video suggestions, things you want to see from me. And yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys next week.